Between a landmass and a glacier. Yeah! Which is fine until we hit turbulence, and then I get smashed into a mammogram breast.
So I have a slight accent, so deal with it. We shouldn't run into any problems. If we do, I will turn into the Terminator, and then it's hasta la vista, baby.
My father's a fucking asshole, man!
I see. Your feelings of rebellion are not unusual at your age, son.
My mother's a piece of shit, too!
Well, I hope you can find an outlet for your hostility over the summer, so you can come to school in the fall relaxed and ready to learn.
Hello, Mabel? This is Ruby Lee, honey. Guess what I've done? Girl, I done bought myself a blonde wig. What you mean if I lost my mind? What is
another string and I'll kiss your lips on your puppet. Snap your finger and I'll turn you some lips.
Oh, Judy. Judy, I wish I could get out of bed without the jaws of life. I said, yeah, well, I wish I could inhale 60 pizzas and then rotate around the sun.
My ex-wife, I hate her guts. She's ugly, she's a bitch, and I want her dead. I'm only joking, she's not ugly at all.
My teacher in high school was a stupid bitch, man! She had her head way up her ass!
Well, the quality of the faculty at a university such as ours far exceeds that of a local public high school.
Well, you sure got a lot of milk. You're gonna wear that thing. I'll bet old Mabel just missed on your body line talking about you like a dog.
Well, I'm gonna pick up this phone and see.
I don't know, thinking old gospel old women, buying him hair wigs, took my money and bought a gun.
Did you see that girl with the million ball? Honey, I told her she must be losing her mind.
Was zischt denn hier so? Hast du ihn gelassen?
I mean, I'm talking about these people who are so fat, they cannot leave the house, okay? They have to wait for Geraldo to come to them.
I've got a big fucking boner right now!
I see. Well, sexual arousal is not uncommon during periods of nervous tension. I do not take offense.
I was dating the same woman for 2 years now, and finally, cha-ching! So here we are in bed under the covers, smoking our cigarettes, and I just politely make small talk. I say, did you ever want to be a man? She says, no, did you?
Woman, what in the world is that thing you got on your head?
Henry, don't you come in here asking me what's this thing I've got on my head. It's a wig, that's what it is.
A wig?
You heard me. A wig, and I bought it.
You bought it with my money? Oh, you ain't got no business spending my money on no wig. I put money in this house for bacon and headaches and pork chops and
And a
dogs.
wig, too. Hair tied back.
Really, you ain't gonna wear that thing out the street.
Oh, yes, I am gonna wear it out in the street. Wear it anywhere I want to wear it.
Das ist überwältigender Gestank. ich nix auch. Nicht wie weg hier.